Hello guys, we are back. Today I want us to check trigonometry. Ne? So in our trigonometry, surely we'll be focusing on three trig ratios, ne? Which is sine, cos, and tan. This is our three trig ratios. Focus. So, I'll check what we call the reduction formulas. When we talk about reduction formulas, this is where our focus will be on a diagram called cast diagram. Cast diagram, guys. So our cast diagram in the quadrant J4. So we're having first quadrant, second quadrant, first, second, third, and fourth. So our cast diagram goes like this. All students take care. All students take care. What does that mean? It means for first quadrant, all our trig ratios, these three trig ratios are all positive. S means in this second quadrant, only sign is positive. So it means cos and tan are negative. In this third, it means only tan is positive. So it means sine and cos are negative in third quadrant. Only tan is positive. Fourth quadrant, it means only cos is positive. So, resalona moduma cast diagram. Renaldi angles. This axis or these lines dinaldi angle. So, I'll check the angle jarna when we move anti-clockwise like that. So when we move anti-clockwise, we're getting positive angles. So it means here we'll start with 0, positive 90, positive 180, positive 270. When we complete our revolution, we'll get positive 360. So now we're having 4 quadrants. So let's start with second one. The first one I already jumped for now. So in our second quadrant, this is where we say when we move from this line going that way, guys, going backward like this, it means we'll be subtracting our angle, which is theta. So when we move from this line going that way, which is anti-clockwise, we get positive. So it means now we'll be adding our angle, which is theta. So now let's check second quadrant. Second quadrant will be moving from this line 180 going up. So it's 180 minus theta. Third quadrant, we move from 180 going down, is 180 plus theta. Fourth quadrant, we move from this line at 360 going down. So obviously we'll be saying 360 minus theta. So if we say 360 plus theta, the first quadrant. So I'll check something. Let's say we are having sine 180 minus theta. So this 180 minus theta, quadrant. So 180 minus theta equal second quadrant because 180 minus second quadrant. So we'll check is sign positive or negative in second quadrant. Sign is positive. So it means from this one we'll get positive sign theta. What about tan 180 minus theta? Again, 180 minus theta, second quadrant. Is tan positive in second quadrant? No. So it means negative tan theta. What about cos 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. So go fourth quadrant, obviously cos is positive. So it means this one will get positive cos theta. So if we're having sine 360 minus theta, so obviously fourth quadrant and sine go fourth quadrant is negative. We're getting negative sine theta. Let's check if we're having negative angles. So when we talk about negative angles, we'll be moving clockwise. Clockwise like this, guys. Clockwise. So obviously here we'll get 0. We start from 0. Here we'll get negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, negative 360. Now guys, so now here in our first quadrant, when we move this way, we get positive angles, positive theta like that. But when we move clockwise, we get negative theta. So obviously come with over in negative 180. Hurry first from this line it over plus theta. Come with over in negative 180 minus theta. Negative 360 plus theta. So it means now if we are having sine negative 180 minus theta like that. Negative 180. I said if we move this way, we say plus. If we move this way, we say minus. So remove a quadrant minus theta. So you will go in second quadrant. Go second quadrant sign even a positive. So it means this one will be positive sign theta. What about cos 360 or negative 360 minus theta? Negative 360 minus theta. Fast. So it means this one over positive cos theta because go fourth quadrant cos is positive. What about tan negative 180 plus theta? Negative 180 plus theta. Third quadrant where tan is positive. Positive tan theta. Resala ona mo a re mo ntse re bitsang hore ke co-ratios. So at first ke rile a re ne re jumpile first quadrant. So co-ratios we'll be talking about 90 minus theta and 90 plus theta. Ne? So earlier check something. Let's draw our right angle triangle like this. And let's name this angle theta. Obviously this one is 90 minus theta. And then let's say this side is B, hypotenuse AC. Ne? Let's try and find sine theta and find cos theta and find sine 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta. Let's start with sine theta. We know that sine from SOHCAHTOA. That sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So now here is our sine. We need to find the opposite side of angle theta. Opposite side of theta again is C, hypotenuse A. So it's C over A. What about cos theta? Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of theta is B. So we're getting B over A, which is hypotenuse. So let's check 90 minus theta. So we're having 90 minus theta. So now sine is opposite over hypotenuse again. So our opposite side of this angle is B. So obviously over B divided by hypotenuse, which is A. What about cos 90 minus theta? Now cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of this angle? Is C. So we C over A. So from that one, we know that we're having CA. Again, we're having CA. So it means these two are equal because both are equal to CA. So it means if we're having cos 90 minus theta, this is the same as sine theta. Again, BA. So it means if we're having sine 90 minus theta, this is the same as cos theta. Let's move to this one here plus. So let's say we're having cos, okay, let's start with sine. Sine 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta. This one we go to our cast diagram. 90 plus theta, second quadrant. So from this one, is sine in second quadrant positive or negative? Positive. So it means we're getting positive what? Positive, the core ratio here, which is positive cos theta. What about this one? 90 plus theta, second quadrant. Is cos positive? No, cos is negative. So it means we're getting negative sine theta. So this is how we do the trig ratios. Guys, let's check example where they are saying simplify the following. Simplify the following. Let's say we're having cos 360 minus x. This x as theta, sine 360 minus x again times cos 90 minus x divided by sine squared 90 minus x times sine 180 plus x. So now on this one, we are having cos 360 minus x. So 360 minus x, it will take us quadrant. So we know that we are having 360 minus x. So it means we are going go third quadrant. Is cos positive? Cos third quadrant? Yes. I mean, go fourth, sorry. Go fourth quadrant? Yes, it's positive. So it means we're having positive cos x times 360 minus x, again fourth quadrant. Is sine positive? Go fourth quadrant? No, it's negative. So it means we're getting negative sine x times this one co-ratio. So 90 minus x. So obviously this one needs to change to what? To sine x, guys. Divide by. This one again needs to change to cos x because again, k co-ratio. And then because of this squared, it means our cos no, not squared. Times 180 plus x. 180 plus x equal third quadrant. So is sine positive co third quadrant? No, it's negative. So it means we're getting negative sine x. So from this step, we're having our ratios like that. So it means this negative sine x will cancel negative sine x like that. And then since here we're having cos x and cameronal cos x stupid, so it means here one comes to cancel and here one comes. So gaudium to sine x divided by what? By cos x. And then we know that sine x divided by cos x, record the identity. This is the same as tan x. This is our answer, guys. And I thank you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.